In this video, I'm going to be installing a rear second row seat track skirt. It covers the seat track on a Volvo XC90. Sometimes they pop off. Ours popped off, found it in the floor, didn't know where it went, so I found it, got it installed, and this video will explain how to remove and install it. Thanks for watching. We found this piece of trim in the floor of our XC90. Wasn't sure where it goes, but I figured out that it goes here. Let me show you that on the other side. Well, it's hard to see with the seat folded down, so let me try to fold the seat up and show you. This piece here has two trim clips in it. Let's go over here and put it back in. One of the trim clips is stuck in the seat there. The other one goes in this hole there. Now this one here is the one that goes in that hole there. I need to remove this, load it in here, and then snap this trim piece back in place. This is a trim clip puller. You put it under the trim and pry the trim out. Hopefully without damaging it. They sell these in a metal form. See that? I got it out. Now I need to place it back in the seat piece the way it's supposed to go, like that. And then I need to snap these two things back in place. You can put them up like that. Get that one started, get that one started, and push them in. There you have it. So if you remove these, you can clean down behind there easier. It should just pull out, but you can lift it up and pull it out if you want to try to preserve the clip. But they should just pull out. If you made it this far, I trust that you found some information that was either useful or entertaining, so go ahead and hit the like button. And if you would like notification of future videos that I post, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your support. You can follow me on other social media apps by looking for @RobertDIY. Some form of that should bring up the other channels that I have on places like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and so forth. If for some reason you need some more personal help, go to my website at robertdiy.com and use the phone number that I have posted there to send me a text message, or you can email me. If you have questions or comments, please make a comment below. And if you'd like to make some kind of financial contribution to what I got going on here, go to my channel and hit the more link at the end of the introduction statement, and it'll show you different ways that you can support me financially. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.